I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
Chapter 1. How Xero Payroll will make your day. Paying your staff can be stressful. There's so much admin. You need to stay compliant, and you've really got to pay your staff. But don't worry, Xero Payroll makes all of that easier. Chapter 2. Employee Pay Made Easy. Employee timesheets go straight into Xero Payroll, so you can calculate wages and pay staff like that. And you and your team can get on with more important things. Chapter 3. Stay compliant with IRD. With Xero Payroll, all of your pay runs are filed directly with IRD, so payday filing is sorted. That's just one of the ways Xero helps you stay compliant. Chapter 4. Online access for employees. With Xero Me, employees can submit their timesheets, view their payslips, and apply for leave. Easy. And meanwhile, you can keep track of all that, even when you're on leave. Beautiful. Xero Payroll is just one of the ways Xero can make your life a lot easier.